And the third interesting part is, there have been equally 4 number of Hindu boys getting married to Hindu girls, but choosing to go for another marriage. It's something very rare. And the fourth thing is, there's a Hindu gentleman who is married a Christian girl who is from a foreign religion in the Gurdwara or they are not married. So we are in the Gurdwara accepting, whether it's right or wrong, I'm not going to debate on that. We are accepting it and we do it. Whether it's wrong or right, the society can decide on that. But the Anand marriage is otherwise. People are liking it for the simple reason of being very simple and no bonds attached here. There's no counseling, even to tell them what are the main tenets of Sikhism. Islamic marriage probably may be all right. Hindu getting married to Hindu and Anand marriage, one may not object to it seriously. But the question is, they should know what Sikhi is, what Anand marriage act is, or one man and Anand marriage is. That part is not being told. At least 1 hour counseling to the couple on the basics of Sikhism should do some job in promoting the cause. Now, I have brought another issue is now the suggestive proposal to improve the condition. Now, every locality, whether it's rural, semi-rural, urban area, we have the Gurdwaras and we have the Sukhmani sub-society managed by mostly elderly people or the middle-aged people, middle-aged late women. Now, this formal and informal get-together needs to be energized by inducting of good Sikh volunteers in initiating social and the motivational topic of 10-minute duration on regular basis after the Sukhmani Sahib part. Now, I know every lady wants to go thereafter. They are in a rush because after 1 hour nobody wants to wait. So I said, give a time of anything between 5 to 10 minutes and by known people, known good Sikhs who can talk on some issues of interest, at least it will do some job to those and in the bargain to the whole family. Now, where educated young or the middle-aged women groups are available and have knowledge of computers and internet, the networking of professionals, public others in the field may be formed to meet once a fortnight or so at a convenient time at different locations, starting from homes, local gurdwaras, for undertaking gurmat, social, cultural, welfare program, in addition to seva for attending needy elderly people, offering on the spot medical assistance, holding medical camps, solving their problems. Now this volunteer groups, there is a role model available already in Malaysia. More than 3 years back, they started this, and those are all professional good Sikh practicing ladies who could find time in the field of IT, mass communication, or in the field of management, or in the field of specialization. They all got together. There was a group of about 10 initially, being to 20, now it has gone to much more number. Now, there is one gentleman on the background who is coordinating the movement. Otherwise, all being looked after by the ladies. So, this is a show model. Now, how much confidence they feel that they are going to contribute to society in a big way. I think this is the time now come. We, in Chandigarh especially, which is the lead and ocean of bureaucrats, retired bureaucrats, and academicians, and specialists, specialized good Sikhs available. There are lady wives available who are also professional. It's a time that they take a lead in a place like Delhi, in a place like Chandigarh, and many other metros gradually, so that this imprint of the modern communication is so fast. Internet connectivity, you get together and meet maybe 1 hour in a month, 2 hours in a month, not very whole day, because here you find out no people come for seminars. But at least that lady group, where they can do all the jobs. They can gossip at the same time do seva. So both things work so majestically, but I personally feel somebody can take initiative on that front. We need to organize celebration of the leading women to remember their role and contribution in building society, service to humanity, and active participation in improving condition of women on all fronts. Now this program may be undertaken at least once or twice a year, as per the same lines as you celebrate Gurpurabs, on a well-planned annual calendar for the events. Now, in fact, This should involve maximum movement so that gradual feeling of importance in society and their role model can be appreciated and highlighted. Then that's very small thing, the printing of calendars. We have the annual calendar coming in, some picture of Gurdwara or something of that nature. Now, at least one role model, woman role model, from the history, from the current, who are doing the command of, they should be on the same calendar also with the background history, so that people know that women in Sikh history are playing roles. We are always saying that Sikhs and ladies are, or the women are not getting the equal opportunity. Well, gentlemen, we have to physically create on paper that they are. So role models have to be shown. Whether it's a table calendar or it's a wall calendar, at least one, whether it's done by the SGPC or the Delhi Gurdwara or the local NGOs or any other business houses, corporate houses, we must insist that at least one lady of substance, Sikh woman, role model should come on the calendar. Other point which before I conclude, will just come to another one, that we have the Gurpurab of Bala Guru Harkat Krishna Dev Ji. Now, it will be the true spirit if this Gurpurab celebration, organization, conduct is rested with the movement, with the ladies, with the youth. Now, this will inspire them, like the Bala Guru did a commendable service to the humanity, that our youth, our women, in that category can also play a very vital role. It will inspire them, and I probably may help the future generation to learn something or do something more. Similarly, when we celebrate Gurpurab, there is a small thing which probably we may be doing it in this place, some places they are being done. See, while we celebrate the Gurpurab, the children are the neglected lot. Either they don't come or they neglected lot, because they don't understand the kirtan, neither that, big discourse which is going on. So I have suggested that 3 things. One is that we have, within the Gurdwara premises, small enclosure made, where the teaching of Punjabi, speaking, writing, reading, all the 3 are done, and a child who is good is given an award immediately. The second is a painting competition on the Sikh historical facts. Again, for the children, they do it there, whoso is good is given, incentive prize is given. And the third is your dastar and the kesti. Now, this is another thing which can be added, so that till such time the children are grown up, come up to a certain age to understand the kirtan and the discourses which are going on, they should be able to motivate them and inculcate this basic issue. एक तो पंजाबी सीखेंगे, सिख हिस्ट्री के बारे सीखेंगे, और तीसरा दस्तार जो एक्सपर्ट हो जाएंगे, the very young age. And if you can ingrain them at the young age, probably it will go a long way for them to get, into very natural habit for them. Now, one last point which I just want to mention is that we'll have to work hard on that. In the modern time, women are playing a lead role in society in USA, Canada, Europe, and some part of India also. Seeing from the success working on the societies like the United States, the Sikh Coalition, Call Foundation of USA, and the European countries, we find the women with legal background, with IT and mass communication background, the journalist, the writer background, they are in the forefront. That today you cannot fight with any organization, any government, if you are not legally equipped for the purpose of advocacy of your point of view. You cannot go to the TV, you cannot go to print media for an interview or give your views unless you have been given some input from the organization. Because unfortunately, we are the Sikh society. If we are 2 crores, we have 2.5 crore problems also created. So we cannot solve this problem. The only thing that can be taken care of is, I propose that we undertake a scholarship program and try and train the women role model in putting them on a short course or a long course in the legal side, in the IT and mass communication, and on the Gurma subject, Now these role models which come up, they have to have the side-by-side grooming on the Gurmat. Now this can only be done in case you sponsor them and they are in touch with you regularly and you monitor their progress. If I am going to spend money on them, this investment, I should know what is the outcome. So whether it's done by the SGPC or the Delhi Gurdwara, Sundar Committee or the NGO, which I have my doubts because they have not focused on the education, I would request and suggest some of the NGOs, some of the other bodies, like you have the body here and in this place, boys being or girls being trained for the central services. So now money is being spent on that. Now those are the institutions. They have the liberty to also include these 2-3 items, like the legal. Then you have the other thing is your mass communication. Now these 2-3 things that are added, along with that, with the Gurmat counseling, we will be able to have a well-groomed body coming up in next 3, 4, 5 years' time. And that is the time period where the result will be visible subsequently. Now, you will be surprised, the Sikh coalition and the United Sikhs, they have the volunteers, and those volunteers spend money from their own pocket. At the same time, they are grouped together, they are done the counseling, they sit down together for a couple of days for a small camp, qualified people, but they are told how to face the camera, how to face the public, how to face the comment, what's to be told, what's not to be told. So those brief has been given to them, and now they work independently throughout the world. Otherwise you can't function, you can't control from New York or from any other place. Those gentlemen are the ladies, and bulk of them are the women. So I am so happy about it that you have the role model available worldwide, but in India we are shying away from giving them responsibility. Well, gentlemen, this will be the great step in empowering the Sikh women who would become effective and visible role models for the community and showcase the Sikh spirit and values while enhancing the role of Sikh women in fast-changing 21st century. The last but not the least is the getting the volunteers for various jobs. I think Chandigarh can take a lead. We have the model available with us, the Times of India literacy model. We ask for the volunteer, and people in thousands came for the volunteer all over India. Whether it's 1 hour time or the 2 hour time with the material, the question is the person is registered, who is prepared to give for 2 hours for literacy, taking care of the old people or the young people, trying to give them. We do have the same system, we can have it. Like some of the newspapers in this place can be involved with big co-sponsors even, and call for the volunteers. I know there's a problem, because the way we are trying to tackle the volunteers, we pass at times remarks on the retired people. They go golf खेल रहे हैं, ताश खेल रहे हैं, इधर नहीं आ सकता. This is not the way to involve him. Involve him purposefully. Let him take 1 hour time. He should enjoy his life, whatsoever he is doing. Let him spare 1 hour in a week, 2 hours in a week. Good enough. Now those are the type of the people, committed people you got to have in your kitty to go forward with this sort of program. Once it starts with 1 hour, he will give you 2 hours. It starts 2 hours, he will give you 4 hours. Question is, you have to take his house gracefully. The last but not the least, gentlemen, I just want to tell you a practical aspect of the inter-caste marriage. It's more relevant for all the ladies sitting here. There's a Sikh liberal family, highly educated girl, a professional. She became friendly with a Muslim boy, another elite Muslim family. Now they thought of it going for a marriage. The girl mentioned to the parents, I am in touch with the so-and-so boy, and I'm thinking. She didn't spell out that I'm thinking. So the parents, instead of rebuking her, they said, okay, with respectful sentiments, and they had dialogue started within the family without any, any ill will against anybody. Now, they said to this girl, you are liberal, we know it, we are also liberal family, but we are a good Sikh family also. You are at liberty, but you got to decide on the merits of the case yourself. We can't force on you for that purpose. Now, he said, okay, let's have a meeting with the family, as we will give you permission to get married to the other one. Just ask them one simple thing, that tomorrow you have the children and you have a girl, will she have the same liberty of going outside the Muslim world to get married? Now, it clicked this girl so well. They had the meeting, they called over for a dinner, both the families, and the girls started the issue. Ultimately, the boy and the boy's parents said, we will not give permission to the daughter, if at all we have a daughter, for getting married outside our Islam. Now, that was a turning point in the life of this girl. Now, if she could do it, I'm sure our parents can also do the same job, instead of today, our girls running away to the Hindu boys and the Christian boys. So I personally feel parents have to be equally involved in this dialogue and persuasion in a very systematic way, instead of rebuking and taking any harsh step in this year. Well, thank you very much for your time, and in case there's anything I can do about it, sitting in Delhi, you're welcome.
Ehsan Pratap Singh ji, who is retired DIG, ਦਿੱਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਸਰ ਗੁਲਸ਼ਨਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ, ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹੁਣ 4 ਤਾਂ ਵੱਜ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਹੋਰ 15 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਚੇਅਰਮੈਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੇਅਰਪਰਸਨ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਰਿਮਾਰਕ ਦੇਣੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੇਪਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਸੇਲੈਂਟ ਫੀਚਰਸ ਹੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਜ਼ਾਹਿਰ ਕਰੋ, ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਪੇਪਰ ਤੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹੁੰਚੀ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਜੀ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। Actually, basically, I have brought Sikhism, Sikh movement, creativity and environment. क्योंकि ऑलरेडी तुम काफ़ी लेट हो गए हो और लिसनर की भी कमी है। मैं भी मजबूर हाँ, मैं अपने इसमें सम्मुख कर देना और कुछ थोड़ा गया कुछ अपने विचार जो मैं समझना इसी संबंध में मिले हुए फिलॉसफी के बैकग्राउंड को मैं आपके सामने रखा। जितने भी पेपर इतने पढ़े गए हैं वो सब्जेक्टिव, कंपैरेटिव, बोरोड आइडियाज लगे थे। दरअसल सिखिज्म नूं समझण वास्ते सिख होना पैंदा। मेरे से पूर्व कई बीबियां ने, भाइयों ने इस गल से बहुत जोर दिता कि सिखी नूं, सिखी विचारधारा, सिखी असूल, सिख इतिहास उन्होंने विषय मेरा टॉपिक भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट सी। यह कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव कंसेप्ट है, कॉस्मिक है, साइंटिफिक है और सीड जड़ा है ओदा जड़ा हृदय है वो धार्मिक है। सिखी जी है ਇਹਦਾ मेरे को की वर्ड ने everyone know Sikhism is faith of surrender into the Guru's word, Satguru Prasad. By grace, if not understood, then to practice. Satnam, the true name, truly, faithfully. सिखी जड़ी है गुरु दे शब्द नाल है, जो बाणी विच है, जो गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब विच है, उस नूं बिल्कुल हूबहू उसे रूप विच ओदे उत्ते ध्यान ला के उस लई मैडिटेट करन तो बाद ही समझ आंदी है। दूजी गल अगर ना समझ चाहे तो एक ओंकार सतनाम, एक ओंकार सतगुरु प्रसाद। फिर उस तो बाद एक दूसरा मंत्र जिनका अंदर शॉर्ट आजकल के फिलोसफर और है एक ओंकार सतनाम। ठीक, एक भी तुम समझ गए, कोई ना बहन एक है, ना भरा एक है, ना बाप ना पत्नी, कोई संसार एक नहीं है। एक परम पिता परमेश्वर तो यहाँ साड़ी अंदर रूप जरा तत्व है, जी स्पिरिट है, वो एक है, ना कि साडा शरीर। शरीर से है ये साडा एक बहुत पूरे ब्रह्मांड का जो पिंडे सो बड़बंडे, जो साडे पिंडे जगह है ये पूरे कॉस्मोस है, उस पूरे कॉस्मोस का है साडे अंदर। मगर उसके अंदर जड़ा तत्व है, जड़ी रूह है, जड़ा अंश है, जड़ा स्पिरिट है, वो जड़ी एक है। ना कोई स्त्री पूर्ण है, ना कोई पुरुष पूर्ण। परमात्मा ने जिसने सृष्टि बनाई है, कोई भी परमात्मा कहो तो कोई भी ना, सारे उसके नाम है। उसने तीन अच्छे किया गया, दो स्त्री और पुरुष, नहीं तीन बनाए गए, एक स्त्री, एक पुरुष और एक प्राकृत, जिन्हों शैतान किया गया। स्त्री ने शैतान की राय नाल पैगंबर नूं ओदी ओदे नाल समझ के उन्हें यहो जिहा फल खवाता ते क्रिश्चियनिटी के मुताबिक जिन्हें वेस्टर्न रिलीजन ने उन्होंने। ऐसे तरह साढ़े इत्थे साडी बाणी विच, साढ़े मैडिटेशनां विच, साढ़े जिन्ने धार्मिक ग्रंथ ने चाहे किसी भी मजहब के ने जिहड़े हिंदुस्तान की जमीन के अंदर पैदा हुए ने, उन्हां सारियां ने नाथ भी मन्ने गए ने, संत भी मन्ने गए ने, बड़े बड़े सिद्ध पुरुष भी मन्ने गए ने, देवियां भी मन्निया गई। कई पैगंबर आए, समय समय के मुताबिक उन्होंने का चलता रहा। वो किहड़ा प्राकृत किहड़ा जिन्हों शैतान किया गया, जिन्हों असी सिद्ध कहने हैं, उन्होंने भी पावर है, ह्यूमन पावर है, इंसान की पावर है, और यहो जिहियां ताकत जिन्हों असी सामने अपने सामने हिंदड़ा कहने या कॉमन जेंडर कहने। कॉमन जेंडर भी ਉਹਦੇ अंदर भी परम पिता परमेश्वर विराजमान है, गुरु महाराज की जोत चल रही है। ये नहीं कि ਉਹਦੇ अंदर नहीं है, ਉਹਦਾ नाम ही लिखा गया। ऐसे तरह स्त्री नहीं बनया गया क्योंकि अगे संतान होगा, मगर वो इस तो निकले शैतान है। और एरिया होर बड़ी व्याख्या ने कि एक तीन रूप ने त्रिगुणात्मक ये माया है, ये जिन्ना तीन है। तो मेरा विषय, मैं विषय की हवाला कर रहा था। अच्छा, ये है कि क्रिएटिविटी, स्त्री की क्रिएटिविटी जी है वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी नहीं है। स्त्री जी है ये पूरक है, पूरक इसके कोऑपरेशन के नाल ही सृष्टि चलती है, इसके बिना सृष्टि नहीं चल सकती। ये बहुत जरूरी है। साडी बाणी थां थां से इसकी स्तुति भी की गई है, बहुत ज़्यादा की गई है। मगर मैं इस चीज़ को ये भी कहूँगा थे कि कई वक्ता ने स्त्री को ऊपर भी किया गया है, और आज की 21वीं शताब्दी स्त्री को उसको पुरुष को ऊपर मानते पहले कई लोग। मगर ये सब भ्रम है, ये क्षणक है, ये मोमेंट्री है, ये सिर्फ टाइमली है। नॉलेज जी है या तो लॉजिकल है या फिर रिवील्ड है। जिन्ना भी कंसैप्ट ने या तो रिवील्ड हो, गुरबाणी के नाल जुड़ के उसनू समझा जाए, मैडिटेट किया जाए, फिर स्टेज के उत्ते दसिया जाए कि ये है। एक गल मूँह गल कट देने, इतने सच कुछ बोल जाने, उत्थे कुछ बोल देने। एक लेखक ये लिख जाता है, दूसरा लेखक कुछ उन्होंने उल्ट लिख जाता है। हुण ये चीज़ां ये सारियां भरम पैदा करती हैं संसार में। और सिखा विच ये बीमारी जिहड़ी आ गई है, ये किसी संत महात्मा विद्वान स्कॉलर योगी किसी महान मतलब पंडित को इस चीज गुर जब तक वो नाल ना मिलिया जाए, समझा ना जाए, ग्रंथों का अध्ययन ना किया जाए, नाम सिमरन तो है ही नहीं। कौन करता था नाम सिमरन? कहते टाइम बर्बाद हो रहा है पैसे कमाने में, तो फिर किस तरह होना। तो इस करके महाराज आप सब संगत विराजमान हो, सब विद्वान हो, बड़े बड़े स्कॉलर ने, मैं तो बहुत तुच्छ प्राणी है इस मामले से, मगर इन्हीं गल के तो मैं पीछे नहीं हटाऊंगा जब तक 1 घंटा आधा घंटा 2 घंटे अपनी अपनी स्थिति के मुताबिक मेडिटेट नहीं करोगे, तो फिलॉसफी अपनी एक तेज नहीं समझ पाओगे। जो स्त्री है वो स्त्री ही रहेगी, वो पुरुष नहीं बन सकती, पावे कितने भी जन्म बता व्यतीत कर लगे। ये प्रमाणित है, वास्तविकता है, एक कॉस्मिक ट्रुथ है। So far myself is concerned, if some other time give me a chance, then I will come well prepared on specific this topic, creativity and environment. Then I will come and I will say, thank you very much. Thank you very much of the Institute and the persons who have invited me and given the time, as well as I am very much thankful those who have listened me. And the short word is one. परम पिता परमेश्वर एक है, एक साधे सब साधे सब जाए। थैंक यू।
ऐसी गुलशनजीत सिंह जी ते जिदा गल बड़िया गूढ़िया कर रहे थे। Like he rightly says, maybe it requires much more time and understanding. ਹੁਣ एक बीबी इतने आए ने, उन्होंने 2 मिनट लाने ने, कहते मैं कविता सुनानी है। बीबी सतबीर कौर 2 मिनट जी अपना थानू ऑफकोर्स अज दे विषय उत्ते तुसी बार बार सुन चुके हो, ते उहदे उत्ते ही कविता सुनाणगे जिहड़ी गुरु साहब की बाणी।
हाजीन पंडाल कविता है सो क्यों मंदा आखिए। कुछ धर्म ग्रंथां की कट्टर विचारधारा कई बार कलेश नूं जन्म दिता है, उसनूं ताड़ के रखण की गल करदे जिसने विष्णु महेश नूं जन्म दिता है। पिता माता ने जगत विच जगत तारक गुरु नानक दरवेश नूं जन्म दिता है। कौन भुल सकता है गुजरी मां जिसने महादानी दशमेश नूं जन्म दिता है। कुछ धर्म ग्रंथां विच नारी नूं नीच दसना किन्नी नीवी जहनीयत सी आदमी दी, जगदे बाकी पदार्थां वांग ये भी समझी जाती मलकीयत सी आदमी दी। धर्म शास्त्र अनुसार एक इस्त्री नूं धर्म कर्म कमाउण दा हुक्म नहीं सी, मर्द लई सी धर्म जनेऊ पाउणा पर औरत नूं पाउण दा हुक्म नहीं सी। वांग शूदरां दे पर्दे विच रहना किधरे नंगे मुंह जाण दा हुक्म नहीं सी। विधवा हो जाए जवानी दे विच जेड़ी पुनर्विआह करवाउण दा हुक्म नहीं सी। हिंदू धर्म अंदर किसी स्त्री का किसी कारण जे मर गया पति होना, छाल मार के उसकी चिता अंदर ओदे लई सी लाजमी सती होना। बड़िया ऊनताइयां ते कुरीतियां सन हिंदू धर्म के रस्मो रिवाज अंदर। औरत जात का कीता अपमान जांदा, हर मुकाम उत्ते हर लिहाज अंदर जुत्ती पैर दी तक सी किया जांदा इस मर्द प्रधान समाज अंदर। पर कितों ना कोई आवाज उठी ते ना कोई दम सी किसी आवाज अंदर। निज नारी नूं भी निज संपत्ति वांग दिता जांदा सी ब्राह्मण नूं दान दे विच। इथों तीक भी नहीं सन शर्म खांदे जूए विच उस नूं दा ते लाण दे विच। गुरु नानक ने 15वीं सदी अंदर गुरु नानक ने 15वीं सदी अंदर नारी जाति ते कीता एहसान आके, जिहदे नाल जहान दी कार चलदी, दसी उस दी असल पहचान आके। औरत तो ही औरत है जन्म लैंदी, औरत बिना नहीं हुंदी संतान आके। ओनू तुसी